what is happening, everybody? How you guys doing? It's a Friday night here. Today is Friday, March 22nd, 2019. Today's going to be tonight it's going to be an unboxing video for you. My first impression of a company who sent me some products. Today we're talking about the Lumberjack Beard Company. I think I'm saying their name properly. If not, I apologize. I would have gotten it confused quite a few times. I think it's the Lumberjack Beard Company. So, the owner of the company, I see his name is Mark Brock, based out of British Columbia, Canada. So, let's just dive into it, shall we? I'm going to keep this because it came from Canada. This box is sealed. I don't really get a lot of stuff here lately from out of the country. I think it's pretty cool. I keep all of its nostalgia. So we'll keep that. This is a pretty nice packed box, I can tell. So let's dive into it. This is my first impression and unboxing of the Lumberjack Beard Company. Completely sealed. Give me a second here. Package this very, very well. I would imagine so, coming from out of the country. I open it up, and the first thing I see, a beanie, which is great for me up here in PA. So, thank you very much, Mark. Thank you. So let's take a look at this, see how it is. It's got a nice little leather patch on it, if you can see the logo there. Does it fit? Very, very well, I will say. Nice and thick, nice and warm. It's gonna be definitely great for the farm here. All right, let's see what we got our hands on today. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beard oils. We have peanuts, and I'll dump them right here on the table here. Clean them up afterwards. Okay, and it looks like we have 5 beard balms and butters of the matching as well. Okay, so let's go through these, and I'll put all these with each oil. Okay, getting everything out here. All right, knife closed. I dropped one, excuse me. All right, knife is closed. Clean up the peanuts. Okay, now we got that out of the way. We are looking at the Lumberjack Beard Company's Bourbon Vanilla. It's the first one I see here. And each of them are wrapped in bubble wrap. Here's the logo and the labeling. The labeling looks very nice. This is handcrafted, organic, and all natural. 1 ounce bottle. And I'm not complaining of any kind. This is, they look a little slimmer. These bottles look slimmer than most of the 1 ounces that I've seen. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the seals and everything off of here while I'm at it. It's red cedar and pine. I actually received these on Wednesday. It's when I got this box, and it was pretty daggone cold outside. And I wanted to wait at least a day to let these get back to room temperature and such before I did this video. Just so if anything was back to room temperature, that way I couldn't say, oh, it's bad, or anything like that. And I wouldn't do that anyway, but just to be on the safe side. Unscented one. Cuban cigar. I apologize if you hear my propane heater. It's literally right across there. And then apple pie. Okay. All right, so we'll start with this one because this is the one in my hand. Apple pie. Jojoba, coconut, sweet almond, argan, grapeseed. Essential oils, okay. Apple pie. Dropper, I like already. Dropper goes all the way to the top. That I like. I cannot stand companies that do not use a decent dropper. Not for me. Wow. That's apple pie right there. That is a very strong apple pie. Okay. Red cedar and pine. Very different. It's a woodsy. It is a woodsy scent for sure. This is different. It's not, it doesn't really smell like your really masculine cedar. This is a pretty equal blend of, it's a really good blend of these, I can tell you that. I apologize for the damn clock. Mandy has bad tasting clocks, I'm sorry. Cuban cigar. This is different. This is a different Cuban cigar. Very surprising. Very, very surprising. I smell the spices in there. I like that a lot. Bourbon vanilla. Oh, now this is one of the best bourbon vanillas I've tried. I like this a lot. This is very, very different. Very smooth. When I try bourbon scents from most companies, the bourbon's super duper strong. Not here. This I like a lot. And the unscented, just to see if there is a scent of any kind in here. Can't smell a thing. So for you hunters out there, or anyone who doesn't like the scents of products, unscented. So they do offer an unscented line, which is great. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the beard balm here. Babassu oil, argan oil, jojoba, beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and essential oils. 2-ounce tins. And they're the screw off tops. And this is a hard balm. I'm digging in this with my thumb. I'm guessing this is gonna be a pretty strong holding balm. I like this. I like this a lot. As you guys know, I like my stronger holding balms. 2-ounce beard butter. Okay, to me, this is like a light holding beard balm to me. Now, this is just my first impression, and of course, I'll have a full review in the future about this, but the scents are great. The scents are dead on, so that's a plus there. But the regular beard balm itself, I'm guessing it's got a pretty strong hold because I can barely dig it into it. This, I can, but I'm thinking that this is more, for me, as of now, like a light to medium hold for the beard balm, or for the beard butter. But I will have a full review for the Lumberjack Beard Company here in the future. That is what I have for a first impression. I really dig all 4 of the scents. I'm really digging all 4 of these already. So that's all I got for you guys for the night. So, and again, today's date is Friday, March 22nd, 2019. That's when I have unboxed this, and I will have a review in the future. Thank you for watching, and keep on bearding.